Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to new data file with Excel 2016. So guys, this video education purpose, so I hope you like this video and subscribe our channel, press bell icon. So I'm just open Microsoft Excel PowerPoint. So now I am created one database and you need, so this is the template. I am just showing how to create database on your personal Gmail account. So now first of all, your Gmail account, so Gmail, then and column, okay, and second step, password, and then recovery mail, and option D, recovery phone number, recovery phone. So guys, now your Gmail type your Gmail, I means so guys, I'm just example one demo Gmail address storage. So now agashislam@gmail.com and password agash1234 @ and example @gmail.com, recovery email and phone number, just 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the just showing, and insert options, and again I have 0, and this is insert, and so I'll show next time another new video. So goodbye, take care, love you.